Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Soaring Effects coming at you with another video about building a motherfucking trading plan. Was that too much? Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to talk to you about building your roadmap to success, aka your trading plan. And the reason why it's so gosh darn important is because without your trading plan, you don't have structure in the markets. If you don't have structure, then what are you building? So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna write down our goals. Figure out what you're trading for. This has to be bigger than yourself because simply making money is not a good reason. If that's the case, then just go get a regular job. Some of these things include getting your time freedom back, creating generational wealth, traveling the world, or even going on a simple vacation. All right, now we gotta talk about risk management. This alone is of high importance and is used to protect your account. Without proper risk management, you can lose all of your gains or even your initial investment in one trade. Losing 33 times in a row is extremely difficult to do, and losing 100 times in a row is nigh impossible. The purpose of this is for your account to sustain multiple losses in a row until your win streak kicks in and recovers all your losses and then some. Time frames for trading. This is extremely important because the market conditions can look very different depending on the time frame that you are looking at. What could be a downtrend on the 15-minute is a range on a 4-hour. This can cause you to miss out on trades you potentially take otherwise if you had a job for each time frame that you would use. For example, I use the 4-hour and the daily for trends, the 1-hour for analysis, and the 15-minute for entry. Now that I have a job for every time frame, I wait for each time frame to tell me the same story before executing my trade. All right, let's talk about trading sessions or the time of day that you should be trading your specific pair. After choosing the pair that you want to trade, you'll notice volatility picks up at certain times of the day. These certain times of the day are known as sessions. I can make a separate video on sessions if someone comments down below or DMs me on Instagram. If the pair that you choose moves during your work hours, then you'll need to choose another pair when you're not working, or you need to get another job. So choose a pair that fits your schedule or adjust your schedule around that pair. Okay, let's talk about market conditions. Some strategies work better than others in different market conditions. The market only goes up, down, or sideways, also known as consolidation. This knowledge alone gives you a better idea if the market is going to go in one of these directions, thereby giving you a higher probability of hitting your take profit than your stop loss. Let's talk about picking your favorite Forex pairs. Just like market conditions, Forex pairs tend to respond to some strategies better than others. Think of each pair as a person you go out to dinner with. Some prefer Mexican, some prefer Italian. And then there's that one guy that eats a tomato like an apple. For beginners, I suggest focusing on one pair until you're profitable on that pair and then expanding outwards if you feel like you're ready. Okay, let's talk about entry conditions. Entry conditions give you the criteria before entering a trade. This way you maximize profits and minimize losses. Whether you use candlestick patterns or indicators, it doesn't really matter. What's extremely important is that you do not, and I repeat, do not change these on the fly. If the market doesn't show your entry, then you don't trade. Simple as that. All right, exit conditions. This is just as, if not more important than your entry conditions. If you don't know when you're going to get out, you're more than likely going to hold the trade longer than you should. This results in extreme losses or blown account. So let's talk about limits. Limits are similar to exit conditions, but this is for your mind. This is purely subjective and up to you. This is how much you're able to win in a day or how much you're able to lose in a day. Sometimes you got to take a step back from the market. Win or loss, you got to know when enough is enough. So go enjoy your day. Use that time freedom to find other sources of income. All right guys, that's all I got for trading plans right now. Those are just the basics, and you can customize your trading plan to however it suits you. Some people add more, some people take some things out, some people don't have limits. But you know, to each his own. All right guys, if you got any ideas for other videos, hit me up. Instagram, DMs, comments, whatever. But you know, peace.